A Virginia Beach doctor gets locked up for 3 months after pleading guilty to healthcare fraud. Investigative reporter Margaret Kavanaugh was there as he learned his punishment from a Norfolk federal judge.
There were about 30 people inside the courtroom in support of this doctor, family, friends, and patients. Some disappointed by what the judge ruled.
I'm 84 this month, so he's kept me going.
A patient of Dr. Garfield Samuel's for 10 years, one of dozens of supporters in the courtroom.
He's a modern day Robin Hood because he helps a lot of the poor, the people on Medicare, Medicaid.
But federal prosecutors say he defrauded the system out of $29,000. According to court records between 2017 and 2019, the doctor went to Jamaica 5 times, but he was billing hundreds of claims to Medicare and Medicaid. The patients were seeing a nurse practitioner, not him, when he was out of town. The doctor accepted responsibility in court and said that he was distracted and not paying attention to the rules as closely as he should have been. We spoke to his attorney.
Not necessarily intending to do something, but not being meticulous enough, being too careless to the point that it shades into, a fraud offense.
The National Healthcare Anti-Fraud Association says financial losses due to healthcare fraud are in the tens of billions of dollars each year. And while they don't have an exact amount, conservative estimates are at around 3%. While some government and law enforcement agencies think it's more like 10%. That's a loss of more than $300 billion. That means higher premiums and out-of-pocket expenses for everyone. But his supporters say this was a billing error and praised his work in the community. Jan James worked for him for more than 3 years.
We saw anybody and everybody that needed help and couldn't get care. We did that. We wanted to continue doing that, but right now we can't.
She testified he saw patients for free and was actually underbilling. Now his patients have to find a new doctor.
I could go to the VA, I could go to another prestigious place, but you're not going to find the same kind of care, the love, compassion.
His lawyer wanted to give him some time before he had to go to jail. However, the judge ordered that he would be sent there today. In Norfolk, Margaret Kavanaugh, News 3.